The Z103 drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for enthusiasts and aerial photographers who demand top-tier performance and safety. This drone stands out with its impressive 8K professional HD camera, a long-range flight distance of 5 kilometers, and a sophisticated 360 degrees Lidar induction obstacle avoidance system. The Z103 offers a powerful and secure flying experience, making it a fantastic choice for capturing stunning cinematic footage and navigating complex environments. Professional 8K HD camera. The Z103 is equipped with a high-resolution 8K HD camera that captures incredibly detailed photos and videos. This camera, combined with the drone's stable flight, ensures professional quality imagery for all your aerial photography needs. Advanced obstacle avoidance and positioning. Safety is a key focus of the Z103. It features a comprehensive 360 degrees Lidar induction obstacle avoidance system that helps the drone automatically sense and navigate around obstacles in all directions. The dual positioning system, with both optical flow and GPS positioning, provides exceptional stability and ensures a smooth, precise flight, even in challenging conditions. Exceptional flight range and endurance. The Z103 offers an impressive flight distance of 5 kilometers and an equally long graph transmission distance of 5 kilometers, thanks to its 5G Wi-Fi image transmission. The drone's built-in battery provides a long battery life of up to 35 minutes, giving you ample time to capture all your desired content on a single charge. Versatile control options. The Z103 can be controlled via its included screen remote control or a mobile phone, offering flexibility and a tailored user experience. The integrated screen on the remote provides a streamlined and intuitive interface, eliminating the need for a separate smartphone and allowing for more focused flight. Foldable and portable design. While the dimensions are not explicitly listed, the mention of a foldable design suggests that the Z103 is easy to transport and store. This makes it a great companion for travel and outdoor adventures, ensuring you can take it with you wherever you go. In summary, the Z103 drone is a compelling choice for anyone seeking a professional and high-performance quadcopter. Its combination of a powerful 8K HD camera, advanced 360 degrees Lidar obstacle avoidance, and a long-range flight distance makes it a top-tier drone in its class. With its exceptional battery life and versatile control options, the Z103 is an excellent tool for aerial photography enthusiasts who want to capture stunning visuals with confidence and precision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, flight tests, and aerial photography tips.